Running on Excel, turn the spreadsheet into paper and I'm doing well. In the world of charts, I'm blasting off and break the spell. In the game of data on the top and ring the bell. Yeah, ring the bell. Running on Excel, turn the spreadsheets into paper and I'm doing well. In the world of charts, I'm blasting off and break the spell. In the game of data on the top and ring the bell. Yeah, ring the bell.
Yo, I'm in the zone of sheet, game running bright. Excel on the screen, put my dreams in the sights. The formulas I'm flexing got me stacking up the heights. The data's on my canvas, I be painting day and night. Macros on repeat, gotta keep the flow tight. Automate the grind up and watch me take the flight. The charts are in the air, looking at a pretty sight. Every cell, every piece got that grand delight. Got the data validation, keep it all polite. Ain't no errors in my game, we keep it feeling right. Magic in the spreadsheet, pulling tricks tonight. Blasting off calculations ready to ignite.
Running on Excel, turn the spreadsheet into paper and I'm doing well. In the world of charts, I'm blasting off and break the spell. In the game of data on the top and ring the bell. Yeah, ring the bell. Running on Excel, turn the spreadsheets into paper and I'm doing well. In the world of charts, I'm blasting off and break the spell. In the game of data on the top and ring the bell. Yeah, ring the bell.
I'm not a baby, nah, these are different formulas. The numbers popping, they consistent in performances. File save and then I put that thing in storages. I put that thing to sleep for real and then I mourn for us. Y'all thought that this would beat me to death, you right, it died first. The numbers that I calculate Excel, thought your eyes burst. The equal sign and sigma, not the brain rot, your mind cursed. It's a formula to add up, then it leads you to that prime verse. Hey.